Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
In a shocking move, BJP MLA Alina Saldanha, representing Kortalim constituency, resigned as MLA from Goa Legislative Assembly. She submitted her resignation to Speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly, Rajesh Patnekar. She is the fifth MLA to resign and the first MLA from the ruling BJP.
Yes, I have resigned. And I have resigned for valid reasons. I have resigned because the party that late Matani Saldanha had joined, and after his demise, I stepped into his shoes, is no longer the same party. Okay? The party seems to have forgotten all its principles, and there is bedlam in the state. Okay? Nobody knows who's coming into the party, nobody knows who's going out of the party.
As per sources, Alina is likely to join AAP, as it has been speculated that BJP may not give her her ticket this time. With her resignation, the strength of Goa Legislative Assembly has come down to 35.
ना and कसले decision अजून पासून घेवना जाय ते सगळे party आसा
in touch.
Yes, they are all there, but I have to think, I have to consult. I will not do anything in haste. No matter who tries to persuade me, I will weigh the pros and cons. I will consult with the people of the constituency.
Alina said that her commitment towards the cause of opposing doubling of railway track won't be compromised at any point in time, and that she was with the people in South who are the most affected by this project.
लोकांचे आमी निसंतोण करूंक जायना न्ही आनी डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या नांवार निसंतोण कॅनॉट बिकम लिगल ओके ऑर रायट.
तुम्ही जी दुसरी पार्टी जॉईन करतली त्यांच्या फुड्यान तुमचे हेच म्हणणे आसतले रिगार्डिंग 3 linear project.
See, I have to study the other two projects, but yes, highway I'm quite convinced because highway passes through the wildlife sanctuary, okay, and I was a forest minister. I know the rules, the laws that govern a wildlife sanctuary. I know what can be allowed and cannot be allowed in a wildlife sanctuary.